Perhaps a few words about how I came to the company NCT. I had finished renovating my house. To my horror, I discovered in the end that I had water ingress in the basement, precisely between the floor slab and the expansion joint. And I contacted several companies, also got cost estimates, and not a single company could give me a guarantee that what they do would help. Some of the cost estimates were also very different, with exorbitantly expensive things. And the company NCT was the only one that gave me a reasonable cost offer, and above all works without chemicals, and gave me a guarantee that the damage would definitely be repaired. That was decisive for me because I didn't want to have a construction site for years.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.